How to ensure inquiries made on your website can be immediately seen in your Zway office system. This will take a minute or so to set up, but once you have done it, you can ensure any inquiries made by prospects viewing your website will be saved into your contacts management, and you can be alerted to action immediately. First, click on your Administration tab on your cover sheet. Now, on the left-hand menu, select, under the Administration heading, Process and Collaboration. See under the heading External Web Forms, the Contact from Web page. Click here. Now click Add New, and you will see this simple form. Here you can choose the website or domain you want to work with and any subdomains you own. Under Groups, you can drop down and select any groups you want these contacts to be held under. This will make things much easier to find, especially if you have many entries in your contacts list. On the right-hand side of this form, you can change the owner of these inquiries so they can be notified when inquiries come in. Now, by using a few simple tick boxes, you can decide what sort of information you want to collect when your prospects make their inquiries. The Service Request tab actually allows you to create a help desk ticket for those inquiries. See another Zway video to explain how help desks will transform your sales processes. Clicking on the Save button will produce the perfect HTML code for you to add to your website. Go ahead, add the code to any page on your website, and here is how it will look when finished. Any inquiries captured here will automatically become part of your sales process. It is a fact. Inquiries followed up within the hour have twice the conversion rate of inquiries left to stagnate. Now you have the control in Zway to improve sales and save time.